पर ये वाला बड़ा स्पेशल है क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग जो है they have joined in. I can see Lina. Lina, thank you for coming. Lina is someone who doesn't generally join in, so I'm happy she has joined. Okay, so all of you, thank you for coming and you know, let us learn something. आज मुझे लगता है हम लोग कुछ सीखना चाहिए नया. Okay, and you won't believe I'm not someone who prepares a lot of notes and who writes a lot of things, but मैंने ना proper notes बना के रखे हैं कॉपी में आप लोगों के लिए. Okay, so I'll do a lot of informative sharing so that you take something from this session. And someone, you know, a friend of mine, she said थोड़ा सा ऐसे ये वाले sessions में marketing करना पड़ता है प्री, तो information कम देना, marketing ज्यादा करना. तो मैंने कहा information ही अपने में एक marketing है, you know. So she was telling me जितना तुम market करोगी ये बताना वो बताना. मैंने कहा नहीं, बहुत ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बताना है, but we will try to keep everything bare minimum, but you will get the information which is going to help you and others as well. So if you have a pen and paper, you can write. If you have something to record, you are free to record. If you have something to register here, you're free to do whatever. You are free, completely free. ठीक है? So मैंने क्या सोचा है आज के session के लिए, that we will be taking what we already have and enhance it. That is what I have decided. Because in a short duration of say 30 minutes or 35 minutes, हम लोग जो है बहुत कुछ तो नहीं सीख सकते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास जो already है, I call it count my blessing. Like I have blessings like you guys, you have joined in and we are going to celebrate this little time that we have. So let's celebrate our journey as well. Okay, so what I have done is that with your life path number, we will do some kind of elements and directions and some remedies where we can enhance your life path number. मतलब हम जो चीज ऑलरेडी लेके आए हैं वो तो अपने लिए ब्लेसिंग है ही. आपका बर्थडे आपके लिए ब्लेसिंग है, आपका नाम आपके लिए ब्लेसिंग है. हमको अब उसको सिर्फ एनहांस करना है. we'll make it, you know, we'll try to enhance it and make it better. ठीक है? So as per my notes, what I'll do is that I'll keep on sharing the notes that I have written, and you can, you know, write it down or register. So what you will do is that first you will calculate your life path number. How do we do that? We have to add our date, the day we are born, the birth day. We have to add our birth month, okay? And we have to add our year, the year total. So date, जो भी है आपका BD, that becomes the birth day, और month जो भी है, that becomes the birth month, and year should be the full year. So 19 को मत उड़ा देना, ठीक है? 19 को जोड़ के रखना. So if it's a 1982, you will add the entire digit and you will come to a 20, then make it a 2. So come to single digits and then finally come to one digit. ठीक है? सबसे पहले तो जब आपने निकाल लिया ना, एक 10 सेकंड के लिए आंख बंद करके यूनिवर्स को थैंक यू बोलो कि आप ये हैं. The moment you take it out. Yes, please ask.
I want to ask you that is 11 considered to be the full number, or we have to do it as
see, now there is a contradiction. One system says that it should be taken as 2 and one system says that it should be 11. For today, make it a 2 because both are ruled by the planet moon. So let us keep it simple. आप उसको 2 कर लो.
तो जब हम उसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो 11th मंथ को हम 2 ही लेंगे, राइट?
अभी तो आप 2 ही लीजिए, अभी तो आप 2 ही लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आज जो शेयरिंग कर रही हूँ दैट इज प्लैनेट रिलेटेड. तो चाहे आप 11 लिखिए चाहे आप 2 लिखिए, दोनों ही मून से रिलेटेड है. So it doesn't matter. Yes. ठीक है? So whether you get a 22 also make it a 4, whether you get a 11 also make it a 2. The planet is important. All done? All said a thank you to your life path numbers. सबने बोल दिया? ठीक है. अब हम लोग कुछ शेयरिंग और इम्पोर्टेंट जो मैंने नोट्स बनाए हैं वो मैं शेयर करती हूँ आपके साथ. ठीक है? अब 1 जो है, I don't know how much, how many of us know that numerology can also be related to elements and directions, and then accordingly we can have some kind of enhancement related to the elements and directions. So my entire sharing for today will be related to that. So हम लोग कुछ आलतू फालतू का डिस्कशन इधर उधर कहीं नहीं जा रहे, कोई प्रिडिक्शन नहीं कर रहे, कुछ नहीं कर रहे. You know, we are just trying to enhance what we already have. लाइफ पाथ हम लोगों के पास ऑलरेडी है, हम उसको बेटर करेंगे. Ready? Okay, so 1 is a number. Okay, 1, the direction is north. Okay, the element is water. ये सबको याद रख लेना है. 1 जैसे ही आएगा, the direction is north, the element is water. Now I will tell you the remedy after I share the directions and the elements. Remedies nahi hai. I mean, we can call it some magical information through which you can enhance your life path number. It's not a remedy. That's not a very great term. Okay, so and the colors would be blue and black. So if you are a life path number 1 in a layman language, आपका लकी डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ है. ओके, आपका लकी एलिमेंट वाटर है. ठीक है, एंड योर लकी कलर्स आर ब्लू एंड ब्लैक इन सिंपल लेमैन लैंग्वेज. नो कंफ्यूजन. ओके, नाउ इफ यू आर अ लाइफ पाथ नंबर 2 or 11, whatever, if you are a 2 or 11, okay, your direction is southwest. Your direction is southwest. Your element is earth. Your colors are purple, pink, yellow. ठीक है, अब जब कलर्स दिया जा रहा है ना, तो इसको आप कैसे भी यूज करिए. You can keep your personal things of these colors. You can wear these shades more. जब आपका कुछ important event है, तो कोशिश करो ये colors पहन के जाओ. ठीक है, so you can enhance your luck or I don't know, fate or whatever you call it. I don't actually push too much of these phrases of luck and destiny and all these things. मुझे लगता है हम सब कर्मा related है. तो अपने कर्मा को enhance करने के लिए आप ये colors पहन सकते हैं. आप जब कुछ काम कर रहे हैं, तो आपका जो zone रहेगा, for the 2 it will be southwest, and for the 1 it will be north. That is what I mean. Okay, now if you are a life path number 3, okay, 3 वालों के लिए direction is east. Okay, direction is east. Element is wood. Element is wood. And the color of wood or grass is what? Green. Okay, so green, abundant wala number, green. Okay, then in case you are a 4, either a 4 or a 22, okay, what you will do is that you will enhance the southeast direction of your house or of your office or your work area, जहां पे आप काम करते हैं. Enhance का मतलब है यहाँ पे फिर से wood use करना है. Now when I give you the remedies, then you will be able to relate better when we'll talk about what can be done. अभी तो सिर्फ ये information लिख लो, क्योंकि मैंने कल मेहनत की, तो आप लोग भी आज मेहनत करो. ठीक है, and the color is again green. So 3, 4 both wood, okay, and both colors green, different shades of green, क्योंकि wood है इसलिए. ठीक है, अब आइए 5, लाइफ पाथ 5 वाले. लाइफ पाथ 5 वालों का सेंटर जो है, that has to be enhanced. घर का सेंटर, ऑफिस का सेंटर, that needs to be enhanced, that needs to be respected. तो वहां कचरा, कूड़ा, unnecessary clutter avoid in the center of your being, जहां भी है. ठीक है, and the element is big earth. The element is big earth. Okay, and the colors are yellow, orange, and peach. Yellow, orange, and peach. Okay, then we come to 6. 6 is northwest. 6 is northwest. Okay, and the element is metal. मेटल भी यहाँ पे प्रिसाइसली गोल्डन वाला मेटल का बात हो रहा है, गोल्ड. ठीक है, याद रखो, गोल्डन मेटल. ओके, एंड द कलर ऑफ कोर्स एज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गोल्डन थिंग, सो गोल्ड, द कलर इज गोल्डन, जिनका भी लाइफ पाथ 6 है. अब जिनको थोड़ा भी न्यूमरोलॉजी का आइडिया है, उसका 6 का प्लैनेट वीनस है. वीनस इज लग्जरी, दैट इज व्हाई वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गोल्डन थिंग्स. ठीक है, देन इफ वी कम टू 7, even if you don't know numerology, no problem, this can be applied by anyone, don't worry. If your life path is 7, the zone is west, the direction is west. Okay, the element is again metal. Now this one is silver. This one is silver. Hence, yaad rakho, this can also be light grayish color. So it can be silverish or it can be light grayish. Okay? Someone is asking element of 5. Element of 5 is earth. Whoever is asking. Okay, earth. Element earth hai 5 ka. It is also known as big earth. It is also known as big earth, 5 ka. Okay. Now 6 is done, 7 is done. Okay, come to 8. Number 8. Number 8 is northeast. Northeast. Element earth. Element earth. The colors are yellow, yellow, orange, and peach. Yellow, orange, and peach. Are you able to hear the sound of water mere piche? Sunai de raha hai? Little continuous flow of water is happening. So why I'm telling is because I am a life path 1 and I have enhanced my north by putting a water flowing. Because 1 का जो है वो water है element. तो मैंने अपने north को enhance करके रखा है. अब मुझे पता नहीं उससे असर क्या हो रहा है, ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने कर दिया है. पढ़ा तो अप्लाई किया, पहले खुद के ऊपर अप्लाई करेंगे फिर दूसरों को बता सकते हैं. तो जब से किया तब से ऐसे अच्छी चीजें हो रही, वेबिनार हो रहा है, बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं, तो मजा आ रहा है. ठीक है, so that has increased of course. Last is 9. Last is 9. The direction of 9 is south. The direction of 9 is south. The element is fire. Element is fire and the color is red. जिन लोगों को जो भी 9 है यहाँ पर और जिनका गुस्सा बहुत ज्यादा है, वो ये याद रखो कि हनुमान चालीसा is the best उपाय. Though we will go to the upayas, you know, but if you are a 9 and you feel that you are temperamental, anyways Hanuman Chalisa can be read by anyone. Okay, I am of the belief that ladka ladki kuch nahi, koi bhi padh sakta hai. But if you are categorically a life path 9, it is the best kavach for you. You should read Hanuman Chalisas, if not daily, at least on Tuesdays. Okay, now is this clear to everyone? When it is clear, you have to put your thumbs up. Great. So now we will go towards enhancement. अब हमें पता चल गया कि हमारा खुद का क्या है main. Hi Preeti ji, good to see you. So lovely to see all of you. Okay, chalo. So in case your life path number is 1, what you need to do, straight and clear. सबसे तो respect water. So don't waste water. Okay, you can enhance and keep flowing waters. अपने आप को clutter करना, you know, हटाना है of stagnant water. So the moment you see any stagnant water around you, you have to declutter it. उसको फेंको. Flowing water आप रख सकते हैं, लेकिन एक जगह अगर पानी रखा हुआ है, जैसे किसी ने आपको बोला कि घर के एक कोने में you can keep some water and put some flowers. In that case, you have to change it daily. You cannot stagnate it. Okay, so water has to be changed daily. That is the best way to enhance your life path number 1. Okay,
sorry for interrupting you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Aquarium, people used to
see aquarium. I generally do not suggest. उसका reason है fishes सबको suit नहीं करता है.
Okay,
fishes is not suitable for everyone. Okay, so it's not a very great idea to keep an aquarium. Secondly, एक तरीके से आप देखें तो aquarium में भी पानी हम necessarily रोज नहीं बदल सकते. That's not possible.
yes, stagnant water.
So the best way to keep, अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं रख पा रहे हो ना, एक छोटा सा waterfall का poster भी लगा लिया तो वो भी sufficient है. That's also sufficient.
But it should be north direction.
हाँ, आप अगर life path number 1 है तो आपका direction है north. उसको हमको enhance करना है, क्योंकि हमें अपने life path number को respect देना है. उसके लिए water element को enhance करने के लिए you can put a झरने का small coaster, you know, or like I have put a small ऐसे angels हैं और पानी ऐसे नीचे जा रहा है और वही recycle हो रहा है, but then I have to keep on changing the water daily. उसमें से smell या गंदगी नहीं होनी चाहिए वो water. That is the agenda. Is it clear, Shipra?
Yeah.
Priyanka ji.
Thank you so much.
See, we will talk on all these things, on all your questions later. पहले आप note कर लो, क्योंकि क्या होगा ना, एक बार flow टूट जाता है तो फिर मैं भी भूल जाती हूँ मैं कहाँ थी. ठीक है? So let's once write down everything and then we'll discuss. Is that okay? That will be more convenient because your flow will not be broken. ठीक है? So and the best upay for life path number 1 is respect your fathers. One is your father figure. Even if you don't do the water thing and if you can't do, you know, most of the things, just respect your father. Even if he's not there in person with you, he's in some other realm, you can keep on sending your gratitude to him and keep on seeking his blessings. But sorted. आपको water आप नहीं भी करो, north आप नहीं भी कर सको, अगर simply ये भी कर दिया ये भी बहुत है. Okay? Or if not your father, anyone of the father stature who has taken care of you, you can just send your respects to him and be in gratitude. Don't back answer him, or maybe अगर कुछ argument होता तो शांत रहिए. Let him take the upper hand and just ignore. Okay? I know very difficult at times, but then that will really enhance you and your sun. One is ruled by the sun. Okay? And one of the best upais I tell people is Surya Namaskar. Deepa will love to hear this. Deepa will love to hear. Deepa will say, Pri, you made my day. Okay? So see, she's putting her hands up. All the yoga practitioners will be very happy listening to this, but this is the truth. Anyone with a life path number 1, see, I'll tell you the basic reason. 1 में बहुत ego होता है. तो सबसे पहले सूर्य नमस्कार में आपको हाथ जोड़ना पड़ता है. You know, including me, I am also life path 1. I have mellowed down my ego over the years and kept it in the shelf and locked the shelf. Okay? So this is the best thing that you have to do. And this begins, you know, your bringing you down, calming you down. Okay? So Surya Namaskar, respecting your fathers, the water remedy or the water enhancement. Okay? Now come to life path number 2. Now, if you correlate to the element, we have written earth. Remember? 2 में हमने क्या लिखा है? Element क्या लिखा है? याद है? We have written earth. Right? So Mother Earth. Mother Earth. Okay? Remember that you have to respect Mother Earth. ठीक है? You have to also respect your own Janani. Who is your own Janani? कल जिनका हमने Mother's Day celebrate किया, है ना? So we have to see, एक जननी एक प्यारी सी डॉगी को लेके बैठी है, आसन्या जी. जननी को उसकी छोटी सी डॉगी देख भी रही है प्यार से, है ना? So respect Mother Earth. Point 1. Respect your own Jananis. Respect your own womb. You respect your hormones, respect your womb, because that is the place you nurtured someone. If you're a female, of course. If you're a male, love your females, love your mothers, take care of them. Okay? And minerals like crystals will be great for the house, especially rose quartz and amethyst. क्योंकि minerals सारे Mother Earth से आते हैं. So anyone with the life path 2 can keep rose quartz, can wear rose quartz, can wear amethyst, you know, can keep these crystals at home. And especially in what area? What is the direction of the 2? The north, the south?
Southwest.
Southwest.
Southwest में अगर आप ये crystal रखेंगे तो और अच्छा है.
So ma'am, you just said that it is also related to moon, right? So how?
Sorry? I just said that we'll take all the questions after, not now. Okay, so that we don't disrupt the flow. Okay, so remember that the element has to be enhanced with the direction. ठीक है? तो उसके अलावा हम क्या कर सकते हैं? 2 वाले लोग योगा में क्या करेंगे ताकि दीपा खुश होए? No, if you simple pranayams are best, because the 2s need something very peaceful. Simple holistic pranayams are best for the 2. You can also meditate. Meditations will be like therapeutic for you. Please keep yourself on mute when you're joining. And don't unmute yourself. Someone is unmuted, not a solution.
Even Shavasana will.
Yes, Deepa is saying even Shavasana. वो तो मेरे जैसे लोगों के लिए जो योगा नहीं करते Shavasana में ही जाना चाहते हैं. Yog Nidra and Shavasana are best for me. Don't ask me to do any kind of exercises. These two are my favorite. Okay, but Deepa is saying Shavasana is very good for the two. Okay, let's note that. Anything which is easy and anything which brings down and calms down your energy will be best for the two. Other than that, crystals are very good for the two. Okay, so crystals like rose quartz and amethyst are excellent. Uske alawa plants with pink, purple flowers are excellent. तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा आपके लिए in case you are someone who loves plants. Even artificial flowers are very good, no problem. Even artificial flowers will do for you. Colors are pink and purple. ठीक है, अब आइए लाइफ पाथ 3. Kavita, what happened? You're not able to hear me, Kavita?
No, it's fine.
Okay, great. Okay, so 3 में जब आएंगे, 3 का हम लोग ने क्या लिखा है एलिमेंट? Woods, right? Something related to the woods. So keeping the wood element in mind, plants with more woods. No, sorry, not this. This is for the 4. Spending time in woods will be rejuvenating. अभी तो woods में मत जाना, नहीं तो डंडे पड़ेंगे. जब खुल जाएगा लॉकडाउन तब की बात बताई जा रही, ठीक है? So spending time in the woods will be rejuvenating, enhancing greens in life because उसका color green है. Okay, so eating green vegetables, even walking on the bare grass is magical. ठीक है, so green जितना you can even wear green colors. And 3 in numerology is Jupiter. तो अपने गुरु लोगों को हमेशा respect भेजिए, सम्मान भेजिए, send your gratitude to them. Be in allowance of taking whatever guidance they are giving you at whatever time. Okay, because we are whatever we are because of our gurus, all of us. So keep listening to your higher self. That's the best guru anyone can have. Keep listening to your inner voice. That's the best guru anyone can have. Okay, so 3 is wood, 3 is green, so green vegetable and the other green things that we discussed. ठीक है, अब आइए लाइफ पाथ 4 पे, 4 और 22. ठीक है, again keeping the wood element in mind, plants with more woods, example bamboo. Bamboo will be just excellent because उसका नीचे का जो trunk है वो ज्यादा effective है हमारे लिए. ठीक है, so this will be more effective life path 4 वालों के लिए. ठीक है, and 4 का it's the house, the foundation of your being. So अपने root chakra को हमेशा याद करो and be in gratitude for whatever you are. Your root chakra has to be always remembered when you are a 4. because वो आपको grounding देता है. So keep on enhancing that. And 4 के लिए Iyengar yoga is very good. The disciplined yoga. 3 के लिए any exercise where you can do it in the open, parks में जाके, laughing exercises, or you can just do walking, or even a Zumba, anything in the open greenery के बीच में will be very good for you. Okay, come to life path number 5. See, this is a very abundant number. Okay, this is an extremely abundant number, और इसका element भी big earth है. So all the big crystals, the geodes, the raw crystals. Okay, even if you want to wear any kind of crystal, any natural crystal, raw crystal is good for you. I am wearing a raw amethyst at the moment. I'm enhancing my 5, which is all about communication. Okay, so any raw crystal that you like, precisely अगर green हो तो और अच्छा है, nothing better than that. ठीक है, अगर green हो तो और अच्छा है.
So then that could be green aventurine, right?
Can be green aventurine, can be malachite, okay, can be a green tourmaline, anything. anything. But
And at
कोशिश
the end
करो
also,
जेमोलॉजी वाला नहीं, जेम वाला, जेम क्वालिटी नहीं चाहिए, raw.
yeah. At the end, ma'am, please do also refer a good crystal person whom we can take crystals from them.
देखो यहाँ पे झगड़ा हो जाएगा भाई, बहुत सारे हैं जो क्रिस्टल बेचते हैं, तो
Yeah,
सब
sure,
मुझे
but
डंडे
if you can
मारेंगे.
refer some, if you can refer some, we'll be grateful. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, I will.
Priyanka?
Don't
Thank
worry.
you.
Priyanka?
हाँ जी.
ये चार के
Questions later. Questions
No,
later.
related to what you said right now. You said you're number 1 and you said you're wearing amethyst for 5.
I'm wearing because I'm communicating with you, right? So my communication
Okay.
should be good.
Acha, okay.
प्रियंका
All questions later, please. Let us complete this first. Okay. So 5 is done. Even a green pyramid is good. See, I would have forgotten. Baat mein. Okay. Let me finish all the sharing and then we'll take all your questions. Don't worry. Okay. So green crystals, wearing any kind of raw crystals is also good. Wearing any kind of we're not wearing, keeping any kind of pyramids is also good. Okay. Especially in the center of your house if possible. अगर पॉसिबल नहीं है तो आप पहन ले, वो ज्यादा बेटर है. अगर आपके सेंटर में कुछ ऐसी चीजें जहाँ पे आप पिरामिड या क्रिस्टल नहीं रख सकते हो, डोंट वरी, wear crystals. That is the best way because it will be enhancing you day in and day out. Okay. Now come to the life path number 6. 6 का color golden है. The best is wearing a gold color bangle or a golden wristwatch. Okay. Or a golden bracelet. These are the easiest that you can do. Okay. Apart from this, you can enhance the northwest by putting wind chimes of golden color. That's also a very great idea. See, I personally always believe that life path number हमारा personal चीज है, तो हम जितना वो पहने वो हमारे लिए ज्यादा बेटर है, क्योंकि हो सकता है आपके लिए 6 जरूरी है लेकिन हस्बैंड के लिए 1 जरूरी है. Or you can, if he is open to such beliefs and experiments, then you can put a golden wind chime plus the water element. But then if you can just wear it, like I have been wearing this golden bangle without knowing anything of this that I have come across, and ये मेरे मोटापा के कारण अब हाथ में अटक चुकी है. तो मुझे किसी ने पूछा, someone asked me, you are wearing it? I said no, please. Let me be very honest. This I wore 8 years ago when I was lean and thin, and this is my mother's. Now it is atcofied, so मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकती हूँ, ठीक है. But anyways, now understanding the 6, I feel कहीं ना कहीं से मेरा 6 enhance हो रहा है, and 6 is support, 6 is family, friends. So you all are here because of the enhancement of the gold bangle. Okay. So of course there are other things that we have to check, but I'm just giving you an example कि कुछ चीजें हमारे being में अगर हैं तो उसका कोई मीनिंग है. So it's okay if you are liking something or if you're doing something. We don't need to contradict or question everything. Okay. So 6 is the golden thing that I said. Now come to the 7.
Priyanka,
Anji,
can you show me the ring that you're wearing on the left hand? That big ring?
that's a tourmaline.
Okay, that's beautiful.
Thank you so much. I love crystals. Okay, life path number 7. So you can wear a silver bracelet. ये golden का भाई है, तो golden था, जो चीजें आपने golden 6 में की है वो आप 7 में silver करेंगे. So silver bracelet, silver घड़ी, and enhance the west of your house because the direction of 7 is west by putting what? Silver wind chimes. 6 में हमने golden wind chime लगाया था north west में, 7 में हमने west में silver wind chime लगाया. Okay, to enhance it, to respect the 7. Okay. Apart from that, you can wear shimmery dresses, silver in parties, and be the center of attraction. Okay. I know that was stupid. Okay. Life path 8. Okay. This is very beautiful. Enhance the gratitude towards Mother Earth. Very, very beautiful. Okay. Meditate sitting on the ground without the mat. Okay. Let the earth element touch you. Drink water from mud vessels. सुराही, फ्रिज का पानी ना पी के सुराही का पीजिए. And keep mud pots for your garden. And though I have not written it, आप सब कुम्हार को जानते हैं, the potter who makes the pot. If you can really go and help them, that is the best remedy, or that's the best enhancement you can do for the life path 8. Because of mother earth का जो सबसे ज्यादा यूज कर रहे हैं और जिनका लाइफ चल रहा है, आप उनको डायरेक्टली हेल्प कर रहे हैं. So that is the best way out, you know, if you're using the kumhar wala calls. Okay, and now finally the life path 9. एक तो हनुमान चालीसा है जो राम बाण है. Any client, anyone with a life path 9, you know, even if you can't chant, आप अगर बैकग्राउंड में भी चला दो हनुमान चालीसा, if not daily, at least on Tuesdays, sorted. कलयुग के भगवान हनुमान को बोला गया है, you know, so it will be sorted. You are sorted. Okay, apart from this, in the south direction you can put a red bulb. That's a very easy upay. Okay, so and basically जिनका गुस्सा या अग्रेशन ज्यादा है वो प्लीज ये रेड बल्ब वाला उपाय मत करिएगा. जो थोड़े फुस हैं, जिनको गुस्सा आता ही नहीं, वो ये कर लीजिएगा. ठीक है, जिनको मतलब आप मारो पीटो तो भी बेचारे इतने हम्बल होते कि गुस्सा ही नहीं आता है, उनको ये रेड बल्ब वाला दीजिएगा. जिनको तुरंत गुस्सा आता है उनको हनुमान चालीसा दीजिएगा. अगेन वन थिंग मोर यू कैन डू विथ हनुमान थिंग. उड़ने वाले जो हनुमान जी है ना, जो पर्वत लेके उड़ रहे हैं, वो जिनका लाइफ पाथ 9 है वो घर पे मत रखिए, बिकॉज योर अग्रेशन विल बी हायर. जो बैठे वाले हनुमान जी है ना मेडिटेटिव ट्रांस में, द ओल्डर हनुमान जी, द विजडमफुल हनुमान जी, दैट इज बेस्ट. तो मेरा अग्रेशन लेवल इज वेरी हाई. मेरे पति ने पहले ही वो हनुमान जी लाके घर पे रख दिया, वो बैठे वाले शांत वाले, शांत भीम शांत. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टच इट एट द मोमेंट, इट्स केप्ट, but they're not the flying one. He's sitting at a very you know, shant meditative state, you know, and you'll be able to see Google पे भी उनके images मिल जाएंगे. If you don't have anything to buy at this moment, everything is locked down, you can just download that photo from you know, Google also. That is also possible. ठीक है, चलिए अब मैं और देखती हूँ अगर मैंने कुछ मिस किया है. मेरे हिसाब से तो मैंने सब कवर कर लिया. फिर मैं आपके क्वेश्चंस लूँगी. No, I think I've covered everything. Now you're free to ask your questions. I hope you all like.
Priyanka, what was the direction for 4?
What was the direction for 4? 4 is southeast.
South. So that bamboo thing should be kept there, is it? Bamboo?
You can always do whatever remedy in the set directions. That will enhance your house.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that you just
Okay.
said, like before the thing, that it is 2 is supposed to be related with moon.
I'm sorry, I'm not able to get your voice properly. Can you be a little louder, please?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you said that it was supposed to be with moon, 2 or 11, right?
2 is a number related to moon.
Yeah.
The planet
इसमें हम
is
क्या करेंगे? Because ये earth है, element तो earth आ गया ना?
देखिए क्या है, there are different types of systems. What I am telling you is from the low Shu grid, and moon as a planet comes from Pythagorean and Chaldean.
Yeah.
So moon की एनर्जी अर्थ को तो एनहांस करेगी ही करेगी. सारे वाटर के साइकिल्स भी मून की वजह से ही हो रहे हैं, जिससे अर्थ, दैट इज वाटर, इज डायरेक्टली रिलेटेड, राइट. सो एवरीथिंग
एनहांस करते हैं तो मून भी तो एनहांस हो ही रहा है, राइट?
मून तो आप 2 अगर अपनी मम्मियों को प्यार करें ना, हमारे लिए तो मदर अर्थ वही है, हमारी जननी. तो आप कुछ भी ना करें और अपने मदर अर्थ को अगर प्यार करें, घर के मदर अर्थ को, देन यू आर सॉर्टेड, इंक्लूडिंग योर मदर इन लॉज, प्लीज. So don't be biased.
Priyanka.
Hey, ma'am. Asha here. You said that life path 9 is to read the Hanuman Chalisa. I do that every day anyways, but I do sit in the south. Am I supposed to sit in the south and read that?
You can do it anywhere, darling.
Anywhere.
No problem. Anywhere.
There's nothing else to do to enhance the south for 9 path.
See, the red bulb is good, but if you're aggressive, don't do that. You can even keep a red pyramid.
Oh, I can keep a red pyramid there?
You can keep a red pyramid, yes. If you're aggressive, don't do that.
No, I'm not aggressive. I'm quite even tempered.
Then
90%
keep it.
90% of the time I'm even tempered.
Good. Then keep it. No worries.
Ma'am, what to do when the date of birth is not correct?
Sorry.
What to do if the date of birth is not correct?
ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकते यार. So sorry.
Okay.
Hi, Priyanka.
Hello.
Here.
बताइए।
So Priyanka, 9, I wanted to know what can you do with the element fire, and are there any crystals that we can also use?
Crystals good for the fire. The red color crystal is what is the name of that crystal? कौन बताएगा रेड कलर का क्रिस्टल का नाम? कितने सारे यार यहाँ पे सब क्रिस्टल एक्सपर्ट बैठे हैं।
रेड जैस्पर,
रेड जैस्पर, कार्नेलियन,
रूबी,
नहीं रूबी थोड़ा सा जो है कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी इसलिए है क्योंकि लाइफ पाथ 1 वालों को भी रूबी बोलते हैं पहनने, तो रूबी नहीं। रूबी comes in the genre of a little gemstone also. I won't suggest that, but carnelian, jasper, these are all very beautiful crystals. You can do that.
How do you respect the element?
Priyanka, for life path 1,
लाइफ पाथ 1 के लिए क्रिस्टल, यार मैं कोई भी क्रिस्टल पहनती हूँ यार। क्रिस्टल्स पे एक अलग वेबिनार लूंगी, मत लो, तब आप लोगों को एकदम कैटेगोरिकली लिखवाऊंगी किसके लिए कौन सा क्रिस्टल है।
पर अभी एक तो बोल दो।
Very soon.
Do tell something about the element fire, please.
Element fire, you can also light diyas in your house daily. That is the best way to respect fire.
How do we enhance root chakra, Priyanka?
Meditation. यहाँ पे चक्रा बैलेंसर्स बहुत सारे मैं नहीं करती हूँ, I'm sorry.
Priyanka, staying in a joint family, everybody has a lot of numbers. Everybody's life path number is different.
देखो किसी के घर का बच्चा है जो बहुत टूई फूई कर रहा है, उसको वो अपने आप को प्लीज म्यूटेड रखे। जो बोल रहा है बस वो अनम्यूट रहो, बाकी सब अनम्यूटेड रहो।
So I was saying कि जिसके घर में joint family है, everybody's life path number is different. So you catch your own bedroom का corners for your this numbers?
No. Ideally, it is the house, not the bedroom. That is why what you can do is that do the own अपना personal thing. So Meghna, you are a life path 1. Respect your father, which you are already doing.
Yeah.
But sort it.
Like my husband and I both have life path number 1.
वो उनके
father water element.
वो उनके फादर को रिस्पेक्ट करे और आपके भी फादर को रिस्पेक्ट करे एंड वाइस वर्सा। हाउस एनहांसमेंट नॉर्थ में ही होगा, रूम का अलग से नहीं होता है।
So north में we can keep a water body, no?
You can let it be a flowing water, or you can even put a small poster.
So I have these money plants in the house, but the water then I need to change every day.
You have to. No stagnant water possible. That is making the energy stagnant. Okay.
Hi, Pri, Bhavna here.
Hi. See, I am not most of you are. Let me tell you.
Priyanka, Bhavna Mehta here.
हाँ जी भावना मेहता जी, आप दिख नहीं रहे हो, मैं ये कह रही हूँ।
या मैंने वीडियो ऑफ रखा है, मेरा अवतार इतना ठीक नहीं है कि मैं दिखा सकूं।
यहाँ पे बस मैं ही सजी सवरी हूँ, बाकी सबका अवतार ऐसा ही है। लॉकडाउन में सब औरतें काम कर रही हैं।
नहीं, मैं हर वेबिनार में और विदाउट वेबिनार भी आई एम ऑलवेज ड्रेस्ड अप, but today actually I forgot that I had this webinar at 3:30, so I joined in late and I missed the life paths, till 8.
I am recording this session.
Yes, I was just telling you that kindly send the recording so I can catch up on the lost.
I will post this recording on Facebook. Don't worry, you will get it end to end, and everyone else.
Wow. Thank you, and I enjoy your daily posts.
Thank you, darling.
So much to learn.
Now please refer a good crystal dealer.
Priyanka,
how many crystal dealers we have here? I'm so sorry to interrupt. Whoever has it, please contact with Sheenu Aluwalia. She needs to know the crystal dealers. I have no idea. I'm sorry. I just take it from Terry auntie. Yes.
Priyanka, I'm awaiting a book by you.
Yeah, I will write. Keep on blessing me.
Oh, always, all blessings towards you.
प्रियंका जी, ममता ही है, ममता पेडनेकर।
बोलिए।
कैसे हो आप?
अच्छी हूँ, आपके सामने हूँ।
Okay, life path के लिए you give these remedies. Can we use the same thing if you have your birth date of these numbers?
See, don't make it everywhere. Then it doesn't give you the effects. When it is life path, stick to life path. क्योंकि क्या होगा, फिर आपका मन होगा नेम नंबर के लिए भी कुछ रेमेडी कर लें, फिर सोलर को क्यों छोड़ें? कुछ नहीं, stick to life path. That's it.
Yeah,
Priyanka,
okay.
Aru
Priyanka,
here.
my one quick question.
My question I have. Priyanka, you can hear me?
I
Charu?
can.
Yeah. Wanted to know what is the direction for number 3, 8 and 5.
Can you please listen to the recording later because these things have been covered.
नहीं क्योंकि मैंने लिख रही थी बट आपने बताया नहीं शायद तो मैं नोट लिख कर लेती
बाकी लोगों ने लिखा है इसका मतलब मैंने बताया है.
It is east, ma'am.
Priyanka,
Yes.
kids के लिए can we apply the same? बच्चों के लिए can we apply all
See,
this?
बच्चे क्रिस्टल वगैरह नहीं पहन पाएंगे. Not possible.
Okay.
You know, so what you can do, the best is the colors. Let them wear that t-shirts and dresses. You know, that is the best way out.
Yes, Priyanka, my
only the
quick
colors.
question.
Hello.
Hello.
As you are.
Yeah, hello.
खिचड़ी का मतलब पता है सबको?
Hi.
खिचड़ी हो रही है, खिचड़ी एक एक करके आराम से.
Yeah,
Shalini here. Hi.
Hi Shalini, how are you?
Good, good, and good to see you. You mentioned 5 for communication related things.
Right.
Right, and 6 for support. Now, could you also specify for other numbers?
I will take another webinar where I teach you all. Don't worry. So I'll teach whatever the basics of numerology is like this.
My quick question. Yeah, Priyanka, Shipra this side.
Yes.
My quick question, or you can say it's a general question. The number for which number, जो number के लिए आपने element earth बताया है, तो उनके लिए क्या, जैसे मैं I used to do the yoga and meditation daily. तो
एलिमेंट अर्थ के लिए सबसे बेस्ट है जमीन पे नंगे पैर चलिए और जितना कांटेक्ट आप अर्थ से कर सकते हो, nothing better than that.
So no use of mat while doing yoga and meditation.
You should avoid because earth element आपको छूना चाहिए.
Okay, जैसे कहते हैं बिना मैट के करने से पॉजिटिव एनर्जी नहीं आती है, तो you should use mat actually. That's why I'm confused.
I am not the right one to comment on this, maybe because I don't do any exercises, by the way. Okay. My number crunching is the only exercise the mind does. But if not, I'm not talking about yoga, but at least meditation you can do sitting on the ground. Mat की जरूरत नहीं है.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Hi, this is Pratibha.
Anji, बोलिए कन्या, क्या हाल है?
मेरे तो बहुत बढ़िया.
तुम्हारी आवाज कट रही है प्रतिभा.
मैंने पूछना था कि ये अगर मेरा फायर एलिमेंट और वाटर एलिमेंट अगर मैं साथ में रखती हूँ, क्योंकि इट इज फॉर द हाउस यू सेड, मैं पर्सनली इंडिपेंडेंटली इंडिविजुअली नहीं करती हूँ.
लिसन,
4-5 लोग हैं घर पे.
4-5 लोग हैं तो अपने एरिया को एनहांस मत करिए. Then you wear or do the exercises which are personal. Because fire and water together is not possible.
Okay.
वो दोनों ही काम नहीं करेगा. फायर वाटर को बुझा देता है, वाटर फायर को बुझा देता है. तो फिर वो दोनों ही रेमेडी यूजलेस हो जाती है. उससे बेटर है तुम्हारा जो
बेडरूम में या पर्सनल स्पेस पे कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ, पर्सनल स्पेस में यू कैन ट्राई, लाइक योर ऑफिस स्पेस और वेयर यू डू रीडिंग्स. यू नो व्हाट इज योर LP? 2 BD8 LP2, right?
My God. क्या मेमोरी है आपकी यार.
मेमोरी प्लस बचपन में मैंने च्यवनप्राश बहुत खाया है. ठीक है. So just a second, let me finish. So Pratibha, you can enhance the 2. अपना 2 enhance करो. ठीक है. Yes, who was talking?
Hi, Nishita here.
Hi Nishita, how are you?
I'm superb.
Why don't I see you and I see your photo? अपना नुमानी चेहरा दिखाओ.
कराती. I'll be on. I was just doing a workout and मैं वैसे ही आ रही हूँ.
कोई नहीं, बोलो.
Okay, you can see me. Yeah,
I can see you. Yes, looks good. Bolo.
I just wanted to ask you, when you're given us a life path number, equally we need to enhance the birth date number because see, birth date I'm 19.
Someone just asked me this, Nishita. Someone just asked me this. Okay. So I'll take another webinar only for birthdays. ये वाला सिर्फ लाइफ पाथ के लिए करो. बर्थडे के लिए कुछ दूसरा लाएंगे. Because क्या होगा? I'll tell you. Just in case you're a fire and water. Just in case, है ना? दोनों ही रेमेडी काम नहीं करेगी.
Okay.
इसलिए इस वाले सेशन में जो लाइफ पाथ का दिया उसको अप्लाई करो. I'll soon plan a webinar only for birthdays, and
So
we'll do something for birthdays.
ये जो 1 के लिए जो रेमेडी थी, for example, I'm 1 and 3. So
no, you will do the 3 वाला remedy, not the 1 वाला remedy.
Okay.
Life path wala remedy. Even you can do that in your office, Nishita. It will enhance your abundance and the flow of business. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Anything else?
Yeah. Hi, Priyanka. Shoma here.
Yes. बोलिए.
Priyanka, my question is like for life path 4, you said root chakra grounding. How can we do that for children?
चिल्ड्रन के लिए एक्चुअली द बेस्ट वे, या तो फिर चिल्ड्रन के लिए वुड्स का एनहांसमेंट करो. जो पेंसिल बॉक्स आता है ना उनका, वो वुड का होने दो.
जी. All right. Apart from that,
root chakra, they are too small to be enhanced or explored.
Exactly. Exactly. And because I'm basically asking for because my son is a very aggressive boy. So like even for the tiniest of things, he'll get very angry very easily. So that is the reason why I wanted to know, because meditation, so I cannot make him sit.
No, not for him. Meditation will not be for him.
Yes.
So wood वाला जो फैक्टर है ना, उसका थोड़ा सा उसके डे टू डे यूज में जितना हो सकता है wood वाला फैक्टर थोड़ा एनहांस करो. Do you have plants at home?
Okay. Yes, I do.
हाँ, तो जितना हो सके जिन प्लांट्स में लीव्स कम हो और नीचे का ट्रंक थोड़ा सा स्ट्रॉन्गर हो, the base, उसमें उसको पानी डाल.
अच्छा. Okay.
That will also help.
And doing squats is very good for root chakra.
Sorry, Sanket has something to share.
Squats. For kids, squats करना, उठक बैठक करना.
Okay, got it. Okay.
We have everything.
He's already very.
और बड़ों के लिए क्या है root chakra? बड़ों के लिए
क्या है संकेत?
Walk barefoot on earth.
Right. Yeah? Thank you.
Walk barefoot on earth.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Priyanka, one more question. Generally, these numbers.
If it is related to chakra, please address to Sanket. We have him here.
Priyanka, my question.
Number 1.
My question.
Life is number 9. So doing the remedies, won't they conflict then?
Sorry.
I said my husband is a number 1. I am a number 9. Right? So the elements are also like water and fire. So अगर इनकी remedies करेंगे अलग-अलग एक ही घर में, तो वो conflict.
मैं इसीलिए बार-बार कह रही हूँ कि जो भी ऐसे combination में वो लोग personal करिए तो करना है. Time and again I've been saying the same thing.
Okay. Priyanka, no, all these life numbers, generally you said they are applied to a specific life number. For example, I want something for communication. I can as well follow something like one of these numbers, right? Like कोई number है जो 5 है, which has good communication. I lack in communication. I can always work on this.
No, not really. This webinar is not for what you are lacking and how to compensate that. I'm sorry. So don't do anything which is not being taught. हाँ, अपने मन से please मत apply करिए.
नहीं, पर आप तो amethyst पहन रही है ना? You are wearing amethyst, right?
I to wear all crystals. I wear all crystals under the.
Oh, okay.
We have a.
मेरे पास ऐसे दोस्त है संकेत, प्रतिभा. They keep on gifting me something or the other. तो पहनना ही है ना, सबको value करना है. क्या करना?
I have a query.
Yes, Deepa.
For life path 5, the element is big earth. And the colors are yellow, orange, and peach.
Right.
But we are enhancing it through big crystals, law crystals, but preferably in green color.
Yeah. देखो green है ना, क्योंकि 5 is for abundance.
Yeah.
And earth.
So, but the colors are yellow, orange, and peach.
Babu, that is for your wearing.
Okay.
That is for your wearing. But when you have crystals, it is best to have crystals green because that will create abundance and flow throughout your house. 5 actually center को depict करता है.
Yeah, but if it is a gents who's having a life path, I'm sure difficult to wear a yellow, orange, and peach.
क्यों यार गोवा बना लो? क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Okay. ठीक है.
Otherwise, a green is always good. That's the safest. अर्थ आते ही समझ लो ग्रीन तो है ही है आपके पास एक. उसको ऐड ऑन करने के लिए उसके बाद ये कलर्स भी.
Ma'am, life path number 7 के लिए you said silver bracelet and also what crystal or diamonds can we wear?
हाँ भाई, अगर आप अमीर है तो डायमंड पहनिए, क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
नहीं, पति ने गिफ्ट कराया तो पहन ही सकते हैं ना?
बिल्कुल पहनिए, बिंदास पहनिए. और वो तो अगर अप्लाइड नहीं है तो भी पहनिए, नहीं तो हमें गिफ्ट दे दीजिए. क्या करना अगर नहीं सूट कर रहा है तो? हम लोग सब रेडी हैं गिफ्ट लेने के लिए. नो यू कैन वेयर, दैट्स जस्ट अ जोक. Okay, anything else, anyone? I think we are getting now 3 more
Priyanka,
minutes.
one question, Priyanka. You were talking about crystals. Is there any particular finger in which we need to wear those crystals?
कोई रूल मत बनाओ यार. बहुत रूल्स हैं लाइफ में। सुबह 7 बजे उठना है, फिर नहाना है, वो बचपन से ट्रेंड है बुद्धि। मेरा देखो इस फिंगर में पहले अटका था, मोटापे के कारण अभी ये फिंगर बहुत मोटा हो गया तो इस पे पहन लिया। नो रूल्स, नो रूल्स।
थैंक यू।
लिव लाइफ मजे से, कोई टेंशन नहीं। और बताओ, आर वी डन? डिड वी ऑल एंजॉय द लर्निंग्स?
Ma'am, for number 9, what is the color?
Red.
Okay. Any other option of the red?
No other option. Red के different colors ले लो, light red, dark red, darker red, super darker red. ठीक है, चलिए. Now I'll close the webinar and.
Thank you Priyanka so much. God bless you, dear.
Thank you.
We had a lovely time.
Thank you,
Priyanka.
Thank
you so much.
We'll meet again soon. Take care.
Thank you very much, Priyanka.
Thank you,
Thank you.